Why is it crucial to have a valid U.S. passport amid recent policy changes? Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you why. In light of the recent policy changes under the Trump administration, it's more important than ever to ensure your U.S. passport is valid. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Now, these changes, particularly affecting the LGBTQ plus community, have introduced stricter definitions of gender on federal documents, including passports. So now this shift can impact your ability to travel freely and may lead to complications if your passport does not align with these new regulations. So I am about to tell you what is required when you're seeking a new passport or if you're looking to renew. So here are the key policy changes affecting passport holders. Okay, we are looking at reinstatement of binary gender recognition. The administration now recognizes only male and female genders based on biological characteristics for government IDs like passport. This policy eliminates previous provisions for non-binary or transgender individuals to select an X gender marker or update their gender designation. Okay, so then we have suspension of gender marker changes. The State Department has halted processing passport applications seeking to change the sex marker or obtain a non-binary X designation. So if you did that application, that's going to be null and void. You're going to have to resubmit with your original birth certificate. So existing passport with an X marker remain valid until expiration, but renewals must comply with the new binary gender policy. So legal challenges and uncertainty are in the air. So these policy changes have prompted lawsuits from civil rights organizations arguing that they violate constitutional rights. The outcome of these legal battles remain uncertain, potentially affecting future passport policies. So it is very important, like I always say, that you need to stay up with all these changes because it is affecting us one way or another. It might not be us directly. It could be a relative of ours. So these are the steps that you need to take to ensure your passport remains valid. Number one, verify your passport status. If you don't have a passport, apply as soon as possible. If your passport has expired or will expire soon, initiate the renewal process immediately. Okay, you need to understand the current policies. I cannot emphasize that enough. Familiarize yourself with the latest passport regulations, especially concerning gender designation. Ensure your application aligns with these policies to avoid delay or denial. Okay, you need to gather necessary documentation and provide proof of U.S. citizenship, such as your birth certificate or a previous passport. Okay, present a government issue photo ID. Submit a passport photo that meets official guidelines. Also, you need to select the appropriate application method. First-time applicants must apply in person at a passport acceptance facility. Renewals, you may mail your old passport along with a completed renewal form, okay? Or you can do it online as well. So now you can also, if you have urgent travel and you need expedited services are available for an additional fee. You need to anticipate the processing time. The standard is 6 to 8 weeks and expedited is 2 to 3 weeks. Additional fees may be required. If you have an emergency situation, contact a passport agency for urgent cases. You need to stay informed. Regularly check official government websites for updates on passport policies. Beware of international entry requirements as some countries mandate a passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. So that is very important to know. Okay, maintaining a valid passport that complies with current regulation is essential for ensuring your freedom to travel and avoiding potential legal issues. The best official website to file a U.S. passport renewal application is the U.S. Department of State website, and I'm going to put it on this video so you can have it for, you can reference. Make sure that you share this video with your tribe so they can also have this information. This is the only government authorized site where you can complete the DS-82 renewal form online, which I did it for my husband, and we did receive the passport within 6 weeks we had it. So check your current processing time, pay the renewal fee, find instructions on mailing your application. Like I said, you can do it online. We didn't have to submit his old passport. He didn't have a passport card, so we bypassed that just because they're going to ask you for the passport number. Beware of third-party websites. They charge extra fee for services you can do yourself for free. Always use the official government site to avoid scams or delay. Stay proactive and informed to navigate these changes effectively. I used that site for my husband, like I said, and we received it within 6 weeks. It was a renewal. We followed the specific instructions on how to take the picture, and we didn't have to mail his old passport. We just needed the passport at the time of application because they do ask you for codes and numbers that are within your old passport. If you do it this way because you are afraid of relinquish your old passport, that is the best way to do it. So like I always say, stay connected, stay informed, and follow for more. I'm going to continue to give these tips so you can know how to navigate in these uncertain times, and you have all your documents ready in case you have any emergency travel or you decide to relocate. So again, stay connected, make sure to follow for more. Till next time.